My daughter's pizza stayed in the oven all night. She was supposed to come back, but she forgot. Or changed her mind. Either one. I'm gonna make my muffin mix right here in the pan the best way I can. Just add milk. 2/3. 1/3. 1/3. 1/3. There's my daughter. There's my daughter. Yeah. What's up? Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Oh my God. Oh no 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 no. Give me a few minutes. Give me a few minutes. I'll be right. I'll call you right back. Stay right where you are. Give me a few minutes. Oh, that is horrible. Now, I just don't feel like pulling out the mixer, so I'm gonna do this here. There's one thing I wasn't thinking of. I should have greased the pan. Hopefully it'll be okay. Maybe I should just dump it into something else and then wash the pan and grease it. Mm. If you can see inside the bowl, you'll see the dry little dry balls. Let me see something. Let me see something. Okay. I don't like hearing music outside. Now, boys and girls, should have thought about this from the beginning. if you can see the edges, you can see it's not filled in. Even though it's going to swell when it starts cooking. I do want it to cover into the edges at least. That's banana nut muffin. That's gonna go into the oven now. That already has been preheated to 400. And now there is a little discrepancy. Hello everyone, I'm back, and guess what? They're ready already. Mm-hmm. Oh my goodness, they're so nice. I love these banana nut muffins. Mmm. 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 Oh, and it made the perfect amount because all I have to do now, put them in a Ziploc bag and throw them in my freezer, and I'll be able to eat them. This is absolutely one of my favorites now. Mmm. 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 I got this package from the Dollar Tree. I get the package from the Dollar Tree, from Aldi, and from Lidl. So if you want to try this one. Just put the milk in it. If you want this pan is from the Dollar Tree. I mean, not that Dollar Tree. So sorry. This pan is from Temu. Now I know you can find it other places. But that's where I found mine at. And this is what I do for my dessert. And then just take one out as I see fit. Put in the freezer as I see fit and have myself a dessert. Now I'm only going to have one for right now because it's about to be lunchtime and I'm about to fix me something to eat. Thank you so much, and I shall see you soon.